Onomatopoeia. Hi guys, sorry for uploading rarely, but I have really much stuff to do. Anyways, today I want to talk about onomatopoeias. That's a mouthful to say. But what does it mean? It derives from the Greek word, this, which consists out of two parts that I can't read. This part means name and the other one means I make. So basically it means creating names by myself. In other languages there are much more pleasantly pronounceable words, but we are speaking English, aren't we? Onomatopoeias describes word creation by imitation of natural sounds. For example, calling a cat a meow or a clock a tic-tac. Examples. Everyone knows onomatopoeias. See, I learned how to pronounce it. When I say bang, you know that I mean the sound of a gun. Moo is the sound the cow makes. And the dogs make woof. And even some common English words seem to be onomatopoeias like hiccup or splash. In many comics you see onomatopoeic words like pang, bang, whoosh, crack, and more. Everyone knows what they resemble. Now we come to the linguistic meaning. You cannot derive the meaning of a word from its sounds. Usually. Not with onomatopoeic words. They imitate natural sounds as good as a human can do. We aren't parrots. In theory, all words are onomatopoeic words or their later forms. The theory of language creation was made by Johann Gottfried in 1772. In theory, the sound of an animal could have been used for the animal. They underwent the change of sounds, flexions, and other derivations, and finally we end up with the words that do not exactly sound like them. A dog doesn't make dog dog. Other people also support this argument, but this theory is something for another video. Onomatopoeias are more and more frequently used in pop culture like comics. Also, onomatopoeias are common under children. A friend of mine called animals by their sounds up until 3rd grade. Now, the differences in different languages. Onomatopoeias aren't exactly copied from nature. We try to resemble these sounds with our already available inventory of sounds. Not every language has the same inventory. It's cheep cheep for a bird in English, but pew pew in Japan. Such differences are very common, though non-onomatopoeic words are more different. Just look at the words dog, hund, and chien. Poetry. In poetry, people often use onomatopoeias to create certain feelings or recreate natural sounds. I'm going to read a poem called Onomatopoeia by Eve Merriam. The rusty spigot sputters, utters, a splutter spatters, a smattering of drops, gashes wider, slash, splatters, scatters, bursts, finally stops sputtering and plash, gushes, rushes, splashes, clear water dashes. I hope that you've learned something about onomatopoeias. In the future I will do a video about language genesis, the creation of languages. I hope you will join in. For not missing this video, please subscribe and maybe also like and comment. We will see each other hopefully next week, and if not, Merry Christmas to everyone.